Alright, so I received this parcel from my protein today and it's pretty big and heavy. So let's quickly get into unboxing it. The bag. Agree with it. This is the bag. Let's see this chocolate mint. There. We got a sample. Pour 300 ml of water, so it's 300 ml. Now let's take a spoon. Close it. Let's see if we can see the amount of foam that is let's taste it. So we're going to taste it now. So guys, I will give it a 9.5 out of 10 rating, and my review is it tastes totally like mint. If you have had Polo or some Mentos kind of candy or something, then it is something like that. If you are into mint, then you can buy it, surely buy it. There is very less taste of chocolate, so if you are a chocolate fan, then I would recommend you should not go for it, because it is more minty than chocolatey. There is a slight chocolate in it too, but it is in ratio, I would say 70% mint, 30% chocolate. So that is my review, guys. Again, 9.5 out of 10. I loved it. I love the flavor. I love mint and chocolate, so the chocolate mint is a go-to. Surely try it, surely go for it. If not 2.5 kilos, then you can try sample or something, but it's a thumbs up for me, guys. Thank you. One more thing, guys, see, after like 2 minutes there's still a lot of foam in it, so this is something that I don't like about it. It might be in my protein, or I don't know this flavor, so that's why I didn't give it 10 out of 10, but surely you should try it. It is the taste is good and the foam is no issue. I think you can see it. It's still a lot of foam in there, and I don't know why this is, but this is what it is, and you should try it. You should surely try it.